Welcome to our new series called How To Basics, where we will show you the basics of woodworking with no filler. Today I'll be showing you how you can change the DeWALT table saw blade, so let's get into it. Although we're changing the blade on a DeWALT table saw, you can use this technique for most table saws. First, the most important thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the power. It's better to be safe than sorry. To make your life easier, you want to raise the saw blade all the way to the very top. Next, unlock the throat plate by turning the knob to the left. Now you can remove the throat plate. Grab the wrenches that came with the saw. You'll want to use the open end on the left side and the closed end on the right side. To loosen the nut, you'll hold with your left hand and pull back with your right. Once it's loosened, you can remove the nut. Try your best not to drop it. Then you want to remove the blade washer. I find it easiest if you wiggle the saw blade to loosen it. Again, try not to drop it. Now just remove the old blade. Now grab your new blade. I like using CMT. They're excellent, especially for the price. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing the blade. Now you can put the new blade in. Just make sure the teeth are pointed towards you. Now put the blade washer back on, making sure the flat side is against the blade. Now you'll want to put the arbor nut back on. Again, grab the wrenches that came with the saw. You'll want to do it like before with the open side on the left, closed side on the right. Hold with your left hand and push forward with the right. Make sure it's fairly tight. Now you can put your throat plate back. Don't forget to lock it by turning the knob to the right. Now reconnect the power and you're good to go. I hope that was helpful. If you're interested in the DeWALT table saw, check out our unboxing video right here.